Mushrooms are amazing. These fascinating fungi come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, each with its own unique flavor and texture. Growing them yourself is fun and easy. With just a little bit of effort, you can cultivate a bountiful harvest right in your own home. Imagine fresh mushrooms right from your own home. Not only do they taste better, but they are also free from harmful chemicals and pesticides. No more trips to the shop. You are the farmer now. You can enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own food and knowing exactly where it comes from. This guide will teach you everything. From selecting the right type of mushrooms to understanding the perfect growing conditions, we've got you covered. You'll learn about the right spaces, tools, and techniques. Whether you have a small apartment or a large house, you can find a setup that works for you. Soon you'll be enjoying the fruits, or should we say fungi, of your labor. Imagine the joy of cooking with mushrooms that you have grown yourself. Let's get started on this rewarding journey. With a bit of patience and care, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Happy growing! Mushrooms need the right environment to thrive. A dark, damp, and cool place is best. Think about your basement, a spare cupboard, or even under the sink. Good air circulation is important too. A small fan can help. You want to create a mini climate that mimics the forest floor. Mushrooms love it there. Mushrooms don't grow in soil like plants. They need something called a substrate. It's like their food source. Sawdust and straw are popular choices. You mix them with water and sterilize them. This kills any unwanted bacteria or mold. A clean substrate means healthy mushrooms. Section 4. Introducing the spores inoculation. This is a crucial step in mushroom cultivation. Now it's time to introduce the mushroom spores. This process is delicate and requires precision. These are like tiny seeds, each one holding the potential to grow into a full mushroom. You can buy them online or from a local supplier. Make sure to choose a reputable source to ensure quality. Mix the spores with your prepared substrate thoroughly. This ensures even distribution and better growth. It's like planting a seed in the ground. With the right conditions, you'll see growth in no time. Keep everything clean and sterile during this process. Contamination is the enemy. Always use sterilized tools and work in a clean environment to avoid any issues. Section 5. Nurturing growth, humidity, and care. Mushrooms love humidity. They thrive in environments where the air is moist and the conditions are just right for their delicate structures to flourish. A humidifier or regular misting will keep them happy. It's essential to maintain a consistent level of humidity, as fluctuations can stress the mushrooms and hinder their growth. Regularly check the moisture levels and adjust as needed. You should see small white threads start to grow. These threads are a sign that the mycelium is healthy and actively spreading through the substrate, setting the stage for mushroom development. This is the mycelium, the mushroom's root system. The mycelium is crucial for nutrient absorption and overall health of the mushrooms. A strong mycelium network means a better yield. Keep the temperature consistent and monitor the moisture levels. Both temperature and humidity play vital roles in the growth cycle of mushrooms. Sudden changes can disrupt their development. Proper care is crucial for a bountiful harvest. Regularly inspect your setup to ensure all conditions are optimal. This attention to detail will pay off when it's time to harvest. Patience is key. Mushrooms grow on their own time. With the right care and conditions, you'll be rewarded with a healthy and abundant crop. Enjoy the process and the fruits of your labor. Section 6. Troubleshooting your mushroom patch. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Don't worry. If you see mold or the substrate dries out, don't give up. Adjust your humidity levels and make sure there's enough fresh air. Learning from mistakes is part of the process. Every mushroom grower has been there. Section 7. Harvest time, reaping the rewards. After a few weeks, you'll see tiny mushrooms appear. Exciting times. When they're big enough, it's time to harvest. Gently twist and pull the mushrooms from the substrate. Enjoy them fresh or store them for later. You did it. Now you're a real mushroom cultivator.